Hey guys, this is Charlie and Ken.
I'm Ken.
The P-Series guys. As promised, here's video, the first video. Ken will be talking to you guys about error code 115. I'll be your demonstrator.
Error code 115 is the disturbance of the automatic firing unit. It is the most common error code that we see on these roasters. So the first thing that we want to do is check the gas supply. There's a gauge in the back of the unit. The reading for the gas supply should be between 10 and 20 inches of water column of gas. If you are worried that the gauge is not working properly or you want a secondary reading, you can use your manometer. Open the screw a couple of turns on the port above the filter and get a reading on the manometer to verify that your gauge is working correctly. The second checkpoint for the error code 115 is to check the low gas pressure switch before the valve. This pressure switch is set at 5 inches of water column, so the pressure will drop when the roaster starts to operate. If the gas pressure is correct, an LED light will be lit. If the gas pressure is too low, the LED light will go out. The third thing to check is the gas mix pressure switch. So again, this has an LED. When the gas mix pressure is correct, the LED will be lit. If the gas mix pressure is too low, the LED will go out. The fourth thing that we're going to want to check is the roast exhaust air gauge in the back of the unit. So these units do have combustible gases that we're burning. We have to exhaust those gases. To make sure that we're doing that properly, we have a switch in the back, a vacuum switch. So that vacuum switch, our standard setting is -2 millibars. If the gas pressure is correct, you will see an LED lit. We also have a port which you can verify with your manometer. So loosen the screw, put your manometer on there on the millibar setting, and you can verify that the switch is reading correctly. The next thing to check, if you're getting error code 115, is the positioning of the flame sensor. Now this is a little bit more involved process, and we do have a YouTube video in the Ask Reyes section that will show you how to check the positioning of your flame sensor. The last thing that we want to do today is if you've received an error, you've gone through and checked and you fixed the error or everything looks okay, you can reset your automatic firing unit. So Charlie's pointing to the automatic firing unit. There'll be a red light that's flashing if there's an error. There's also a large red button. If you depress the button for 5 seconds, that will clear all the errors and your unit will try to fire up. So, those are the places to check for error code 115.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna go through the proper way to start up your unit and the proper way to shut it down. If you don't do it the way we show you, chances are these codes are bound to pop up when you turn your unit on the next time. Thank you.